Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Ananya and my channel name is Thoughtful Creation, as is my online store name. So in this video, today I'll be teaching you or sharing you about what the 4 basic knots are to make a friendship bracelet. So this, as you can see, are the 2 basic type of the friendship bracelets. This is called a candy stripe and this is called a chevron. So you can make these as the first 2 types of a bracelet which you want as beginners. This is a beginner friendly video in which I'll be showing you the basic 4 knots, the 4 types of knots we use to make friendship bracelets. These are the basic types of friendship bracelets. This is the blue one is called a candy stripe and this multiple color one is called a chevron. I'll go into the depth of the types of bracelet in my other videos. In this, I will be showing you the 4 basic knots which we require to make a friendship bracelet. So, to make a friendship bracelet, the knots, we require 2 strings. As you can see, I've taken a red string and a blue string. There are 4 knots, and for any of those knots, we require 2 strings. The 4 knots are a forward knot, a backward knot, a forward backward knot, and a backward forward knot. So firstly, I taped the threads on my desk so that it does not move while I'm making the knots. Now, to make the forward knot, we'll take the thread on the left side, the red thread, and make a 4 on the blue thread like this, and then take the red thread and with our finger hold it like this, and then take the thread and wrap it around the blue thread, and with our thumb hold the red thread and pass it through the blue thread again, and like this we make a knot. This is just half of the forward knot. To make a full forward knot, we do this one more time. So we take the red thread again and make a 4 with it. Take the red thread below the blue thread, take our thumb and hold the red thread like this and pass it through the blue thread like this, and then pull through. So this makes your full forward knot. To make each knot, we have to do this twice. So let's see it again. So to make the forward knot, we take the thread on your left side, which is the red thread in my case, and then we make a 4 and hold the blue thread so that it stays in place. We pinch the red thread and the blue thread together, take the red thread, pass it below the blue thread, hold the red thread again like this, and then pull it through and then make a knot. This is half of the forward knot. Then again we do this once more to complete our forward knot. So we hold it like this to make a 4. It reminds you of a 4. Okay, and then we take the red thread, pass it below the blue thread, hold the red thread like this with our thumb and then pull it through, and then this will be our forward knot. And doing so, the red thread which was on the left side now comes to the right side. So a forward knot moves the color of your thread to the right side from the left side. As you practice, you will understand it and it will get more easier. For the second form of knot, the backward knot, we will use the blue thread as the leading thread, the thread on our right side. For the forward knot, we use the thread on our left side. For the backward knot, we will use the thread on our right side, which is the blue thread in my case. So, for the backward knot, we again hold the thread, the blue thread, in a reverse 4 and to hold it secure we hold it like this, and then to make it easy I hold it with my left hand and then take my pointer finger, and then pass this blue thread under the red thread and make a knot. This is half of the backward knot. Again I take the blue thread, hold these two with my thumb, and this is like a reverse 4, and take my finger, hold the blue thread under the red thread and then pass it through and then tie a knot. You will see now the blue thread has come to the left side. So you can see the knot forming here. The backward knot makes the thread move from right to the left side. Let's practice this knot once again. So the blue thread, we hold this thread to keep it sturdy and take the blue thread, this is the backward knot, and then hold this together, make a 4, and then take our pointer finger, hold the blue thread under the red thread, pull it and then make a knot like this. And do it one more time like this. We hold the threads, take our pointer finger, hold the blue thread under the red thread, and then we make a knot. So our blue thread comes to the left side, and here is a backward knot. Now we will see the third type of knot, which is the forward-backward knot. In this, there are no thread changes, or like the position of the threads remain the same. Like in the forward knot, we saw the red thread coming to the right side, and the backward knot, we saw the blue thread coming to the left side. But in a forward-backward knot or a backward-forward knot, the thread position remains the same. So, for the forward-backward knot, again, we take this thread on our left side, we make a forward knot as we did a little while ago. Pinch both the threads, take the red thread under the blue thread, take our thumb, hold the red thread, pull it through the blue thread, and then make a half. This is the forward knot, half of it. Now, since this knot is called a forward-backward knot, we did half of a forward knot, and now we will do the other half as a backward knot. So the complete name of the knot will be done. Forward, backward. We did the forward part, and now we will do the backward part. So we hold this thread and we take the red thread, hold this together like this. We take this thread and we hold this thread like this. If it makes this easier, I will show you. You can make a 4 first like this for the backward part, and then hold these together. Take your pointer finger, take the red thread, hold the red thread and pass it through under the blue thread and then pull it. So you see, our red thread remains in the left side and we did a knot which is the forward-backward knot. Let's practice the forward-backward knot once more. So we take the red thread for the first half of the forward-backward knot, the forward part. So we make a 4. We hold both the threads and then we take the red thread, bring it under the blue thread and with our thumb hold the red thread and then pass it through the blue thread and make the first half of the knot, which is the forward part, like this. And now we take the red thread to make the next part of the knot, which is the backward part. We make a reverse 4 as we do for a backward knot, and then we hold these two together, pass our pointer finger, bring the red thread under the blue thread like this, and then make the other half like this. And this will make a forward-backward knot. And now you also see in the forward backward knot that the positions of the two threads remain the same. The red remains in the left side and the blue remains on the right side. In forward backward knot or a backward forward knot, the thread position does not change. Now we'll see the fourth knot, the last knot, the backward forward knot. So, as in the forward backward knot, we did the forward part of the knot first and then the backward knot. In the backward forward knot, we'll do the same thing, the backward part first and then the forward part of the knot, which will become our backward forward knot. Let's see. So, for the first part, we take the blue thread, make it a reverse 4 as we did in the backward knot, and then hold these two threads, take our pointer finger, bring the blue thread under the red thread like this, and then pull it through to make our knot like this. Then for the forward part, we still take the blue thread and make a 4 like this. Hold the thread, take the blue thread under the red thread. With our thumb, we hold the blue thread and pass it through the red thread and pull it through and make a knot. And this will be our backward forward knot. See, the red thread is in the same place and the blue thread remains in the same place. Let's see the backward forward knot once more. We take the blue thread, make a reverse 4, hold the blue and red thread together, and then with our pointer finger, bring the blue thread under the red thread and pass it through and make a knot. And then with the blue thread again, we take and make it a 4, hold the red and blue thread together, bring the blue thread with our thumb through the red thread, hold the blue thread and then pass it through. And then we make a knot. And this will be your backward forward knot. This one. That was it in the video. Those were the 4 types of knots we used to make a friendship bracelet. I hope I was able to show you how to make them. If you have any query, please feel free to comment below and I'll help you. And these are the 2 basic type of friendship bracelets which you can practice. This one only has forward knots, as you can see here. This is called a candy stripe and this one is called a chevron. It has a forward knot and a backward knot, and you can practice these 2 knots first and you will be able to make these 2 types of friendship bracelets. And in the later videos I will also show you how to do other bracelets and we can practice the other types of knots. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you want more tutorials and content from me. Thank you.